Welcome back to Plant-Based 411. Plant-Based Ninja here. Good morning! It is Saturday, feeling good. And guess what it's time for? What is it time for, Plant-Based Ninja? It is time for consistency. It is time for a water mukbang. What? You know this. All right, let's pop this top. Let's get to it. Whoo! Getting that flushing in, guys. I dedicate each one of these to all those people who tell me that drinking a gallon of water is a lot of water a day. What would you say of 7 gallons? An extreme person, extremely healthy, extremely streamlined, extremely clean themselves out to the cellular level, extremely in a different mindset that I hope you get closer to being in this mindset so that you can rid your body of any ailments or maladies that you have, okay? I'm so glad I found this no copyright trap music. What? What? Ooh. I'm very excited too. Yesterday, what happened? Well, if you're part of this channel, you're in my channel, increased by over 90 subscribers. What? That's right. That's not bad. By the way, actually, that's really good. I love y'all. We are on journey together. Raspberry smoothie, guys. Check out the recipe. I just uploaded it. Absolutely, I call this deep red raspberry because I put a lot of raspberries in this. It is good. Get on the grind, guys. Have you done your push-ups? Have you done crunches yet? Actually, it's kind of early. Probably not. 7:41. Gotta get on that grind, guys. Gotta get on the grind. If you're not on the grind yet, get on the grind. All it is just a shifting in the way that you think, a paradigm shift. Pow! All of a sudden, more energy than you ever thought you'd have. Again, this is dedicated to you all. Obviously, it's gonna benefit me, but keeps me on track. I wish you would. I tell you what, watch this mukbang and drink the water while I do it. Make it a personal challenge, a water mukbang challenge. Not medical advice. Make it a challenge. Drink as much water as you can. Be like Plant-Based Ninja. Boom! Get it. Man, I'm starting to feel the water though, boy. Let's be real. You want to go out that way? You want to go out? You just sitting here chilling? Brian's on the floor just looking at me like, what's going on? Maybe I was yelling. Obviously, I was talking like, yeah, boy! 1 gallon is not easy to drink, guys. I do not suggest anybody drinking a whole gallon. I suggest trying to drink it until you start to feel a little uncomfortable, and then use your own judgment. We're 5 minutes in. I feel like I'm a little over half a gallon. I'm going for it. What? You're dehydrated. You wake up in the morning, you're dehydrated. You're drinking coffee. What are you doing? That dehydrates you more. You gotta drink your water. 32 ounces, folks. 32 ounces minimal. This is 120, I think, 6. Come on. Come on. You gotta get that brain working. You gotta feel good. You gotta get that. Ooh, you gotta hydrate your body. How do you think people die in the middle of the night from dehydration? Obviously, there's mainly older people, but still, I know people that take water to them to bed to make sure they stay hydrated. Every time they wake up, every time they get up, if they have to relieve themselves, they drink some water. You gotta stay hydrated. It's important. Ooh. Oh man, it's starting to hurt, guys. Ooh, oh man, I'm feeling it. Boom. That's quite a. This is a lot of water. Only distilled water. Distilled water. No, those minerals. It has none of those minerals your body can't digest. Hey Google, is distilled water good to drink?
On the website BigBerkeyWaterFilters.com, they say the distillation process is a natural process, much like the Earth's water cycle, that removes impurities from water, leaving water in its purest form. As no potentially harmful disinfectants or other chemicals are added during the process, it is considered safe to drink.
I've never asked Google this, but what should I ask you? Google, is distilled water the best water to drink? Hey Google, is distilled water the best water to drink?
On the website Healthline.com, they say the distillation process is very effective at removing potentially harmful contaminants, but it also removes the natural minerals and electrolytes found in water.
No. The minerals that okay, if you're getting it from a well or spring and it's been tested and it's good water and it's not coming from a bottle and you're not buying it with that crap minerals that they put in with the extra fluoride, then you're good. If you can't get the spring or the well water, yeah, baby, do your distilled water or have a distiller in the house. It's what you need. No reverse osmosis. No spring water. Don't purchase spring water. It's not spring water. It's spring water with added minerals and fluoride. Run. Or they add something to it to make it taste good. Run. Ooh. Oh, man. Right there, boys. I'm making really good time here. 10 minutes? I'm never doing this good. Not that I've finished this many times before. Oh, I gotta tell you guys. Whoo. Man. It's a lot of water. Start to feel it. My body loves me for this. I'm gonna feel so good. I actually feel really good right now. My brain feels just, I don't know. For some reason, it feels really good. Whatever that does. But probably gonna take like 20 minutes for me to feel really good. Sorry about that. Whew. Where we at, y'all? And I know there's other YouTubers watching me. I've seen you copy me a little bit. And I know you might be doing water mukbang soon. Oh. I'm watching you. I'll call you out on it if you do. I don't think anybody's going to do this. I don't think so. I don't even know. I'm not even a... You know, when we get to 1,000, when we get to 1,500, we might be able to say we're a legit YouTuber. I don't even know if I can say that right now. I'm just being straight with you. I love y'all. Thank y'all for following me. As I said, close to over 90 new subscribers yesterday. Hopefully we'll hold on to all of them. You know what I'm thinking about doing? Putting plant-based 4-in-1 on my car. Thinking about it. Maybe I'll get a billboard. Why not? That'd be pretty cool, actually. Nah, I've been pretty serious about just doing it organically, so. Guys, I'm doing pretty good. When I'm doing good, we're all doing good. We're in this together. I hope you have a gallon of water. Not today. I hope tomorrow. Join me. I'm here for you. To get you back on track. If you are 60 years old, if you're 30 years old, 40 years old, 20 years old, I want to get you back. I want to either get you back on track to the size that you were when you were 18 and you were in good shape, or to get you in good shape and healthy for the first time. Just being legit. We all have ways we can improve. I certainly do. Say hi, darling.
Hi, everybody. I'm gonna change that tone. I'm gonna start going, hey, oh, hey. That's my friend Kiki.
Your friend Kiki?
Yeah, that's what she used to be all the time. Hey, oh, hey.
I was wondering who you sound like.
Pretty cool. She brought me day. Oh, did you know Teens has a remix?
Hey, does this outfit look okay to go to the thing or no? Should I dress up a little nicer?
No.
I don't know. Darlene's getting real pretty. She's putting on makeup and stuff. Whew. She still keeps the natural look. I'm not saying she can't do what she wants to do, but I'm glad she gets the natural look. So, but that's just my preference, and I think her preference is the one that counts because she's the one that's feel good about how she looks. And you know, you just hold people up. You support them. You know, it just so happens that usually when you find somebody that's part of your life. When you're attracted to them, I mean, it's just gonna be. If you're more attracted to somebody with a natural look, I mean, that's just the look they got. So, if you're attracted to a person that looks like she might take like 10 shades of makeup, and I mean, if that's what you like, I mean, that's just totally awesome. And obviously, she likes it too. Hey, my YouTube channel. What? No, I said you look natural.
I don't wear thick makeup. I ain't looking like a clown.
I just said you
My
don't.
skin's gonna breathe.
That was a tangent, guys. Talking about makeup. Good golly, that's not any cool.
Listen, you gentlemen, y'all can back off us women now. If we gotta look pretty, we gotta look pretty. We gotta look pretty for ourselves. But I agree with the two. So
most men,
your pores can't breathe.
I'm not gonna wear makeup, guys. I draw the line there.
Men don't wear makeup.
A lot of men do. I draw the line there.
That's actors.
Now wait a minute. I would wear makeup if I had to go on TV. I have worn makeup when I did model there for a little while, but I didn't put it on, and I thought it was disgusting. I mean, they put like this weird stuff on you, like all this powder stuff. It's gross. And it stank. I remember this. Huh?
I ain't got no powder. It's just my eyeliner. My eye stuff is a little powdery, but I don't put that on either.
Oh. Ooh. Guys, I am trying. We only have about a drop left. I hope y'all are planning a good day. I hope you're going to be outside. I hope if you're not planning on a day being outside, you get outside, get that vitamin D. Even if the sun's out here in Tennessee, we are blessed. I'm sure it's going to be a beautiful day. I hope.
Hope we stay blessed today.
Ooh, hope we stay blessed. There's only like a 7% chance of rain, so we should be really, really good. What we're going to do is, I got to tell you, you know we're doing smoothies, but we're going to be on a little trip here today. So, we can't get the bananas in our Instant Ace, when we're on the road. So we're just going to take bananas with us. Instead of squishing them up, we're just going to eat them. And we're going to get grapes. We're going to get 10 or 15 pounds of grapes. That's a lot of grapes. But what happens when you eat a lot of grapes? All that juice is full of nutrients, vitamins, going into your bloodstream. When it goes into your bloodstream, what's it do? It heals you. Cleans you at a cellular level. It is the raw components, the raw materials that the body needs. The body is its best physician. With that, it's going to go in, it's going to heal. It's going to heal you. That is the quickest way to health. Why do I talk so much about this stuff? If I go out and eat Chinese food, all you can eat Chinese while we're out today, what's going to happen? I'm going to feel like I'm going to fall asleep. I'm going to feel very sluggish, and I'm just not going to feel a lot of energy. I'm not going to feel like jumping and running. Just not going to happen. Doesn't matter. It's processed food. If I eat grapes and I eat bananas, and I challenge you, if you don't do this, I challenge you to eat real food and see how much energy that you have. It is life-changing. Your life, your choice. You can change your life starting today. You change what you put in your body. It changes the amount of energy. It changes your potential. It changes the way you think, the way you feel. You're going to get a paradigm shift. You're going to get mad that nobody ever told you about this when you finally do it. Do it. Now. And most people are dehydrated. Most people get diseases. Think about everybody that you know and how much water they drink. Think about everybody that you know and what kind of diseases they have. And let's just say if they could reverse it or prevent those diseases, would they do it? Ask them. The sad thing in our society right now is because the addiction is so real that people cannot make the decision most of the time unless they have an epiphany or an aha moment to make that life-changing, to make that change in their life. If they need something, the verse I go to, Genesis 1:29. I'm talking Bible here. What is meat for the body? The meat for the body. Let's have Google read that to us. Google says food, it's meat. This is the first thing the Creator told us that we're to eat. This is the ideal diet. The ideal. Only till after the flood could we eat meat. We don't need meat. You don't need meat to live a vibrant, healthy life. You need to not, or very little organic meat, but you need to eat. You're going to come from Plant-Based Ninja, 100%. 100% what this is about to tell us. You ready? I'm going to still keep drinking my water. I'm not done. Google, read Genesis 1:29. Google. Hey Google, read Genesis 1:29.
All right, for that, you can talk to YouVersion Bible. Does that sound good?
Yes.
All right, let's get YouVersion Bible.
Genesis chapter 1 verse 29.
And God said, Behold, I have given you every plant yielding seed that is on the face of all the earth, and every tree with seed in its fruit. You shall have them for food.
What would you like me to read?
That's all. Done. Yes. Y'all be good. I'm going to check y'all later. Thanks for stopping in. Thinking about going with the water challenge. I'll talk to y'all later. And I'll get another smoothie creation up for you.